Pi Network is a cryptocurrency you can mine right from your phone. No expensive hardware needed. The project aims to make digital currency accessible for everyone, focusing on everyday transactions. You simply download the app, tap a button daily, and start earning Pi. Started by Stanford grads, Pi's mission is to build a widely distributed inclusive currency. Early users, called pioneers, help secure and grow the network just by being active. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi doesn't require energy-intensive mining. Community comes first. The end goal? For Pi to be used for real purchases, like coffee or online shopping. The network is currently in its enclosed mainnet phase. The blockchain is live but protected from outside connections. During this period, users complete KYC, Know Your Customer verification, and migrate their Pi to real wallets. Migration turns your in-app Pi into actual cryptocurrency you control. This is a major milestone for the project and sets the stage for the next big update. Let's dive into what's new with the second migration. The Pi core team has launched the second migration, a huge leap for the community. The first migration moved your personally mined Pi to your mainnet wallet. Now, the second migration finally transfers your referral bonuses, rewards for inviting friends who mined Pi. This recognizes everyone who helped grow the network. Both migrations run in parallel, so new users and early adopters are processed simultaneously. Over 119,000 pioneers have already received their referral rewards through this second migration. The process is automatic. Once you're eligible, your referral bonuses are transferred without extra steps. This keeps things simple and user-friendly. After these waves, Pi will switch to ongoing, periodic migrations to keep rewards flowing. The second migration is a major step in rewarding community builders. It's all about getting Pi into the hands of those who helped the network expand. Let's look at how these referral bonuses work. Here's what you need to know about your rewards. The highlight of this migration is the referral bonus, your reward for inviting others to Pi. When your referrals mine and complete KYC, you earn a real transferable bonus. Only the mining sessions of KYC-verified team members count toward your bonus. If your team hasn't completed KYC, your bonus will be smaller than expected. The app shows a potential total, but only verified users' activity is eligible for migration. Encourage your team to finish their mainnet checklist and KYC to unlock more rewards. This system ensures the network grows with real, verified users. By helping your team succeed, you boost your own rewards and strengthen the network. The more verified users, the healthier the ecosystem. This update is a win-win for everyone involved. The second migration comes with a vital technical upgrade, Protocol 21.2. This update makes the network faster, stronger, and more reliable, especially for node operators. Nodes are the backbone of the blockchain, validating transactions and keeping everything secure. All mainnet node operators must upgrade to Protocol 21.2 by April 6, 2026, or risk being disconnected. This ensures everyone runs the latest, most stable software as migration activity ramps up. Protocol 21.2 lays the foundation for upcoming features, including smart contracts and decentralized apps. Future upgrades, Protocol 22.1 and 23.0, are already scheduled, bringing even more capabilities. These upgrades are essential for scaling the network and supporting new applications. The mandatory upgrade is the first step in a rapid series of developments. Pi is preparing for a future filled with real-world utility. Want to receive your referral bonus? Here's what to do. Complete your mainnet checklist in the Pi app. This covers wallet setup, lockup configuration, and security. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is required for wallet security. Once your checklist is done, Focus on your referral team. Your bonus depends on KYC-verified team members, so encourage them to finish their checklist and KYC. Use the app's ping feature to remind inactive members to get verified and start mining again. After you and your team are ready, the migration is automatic. No extra steps needed. Track your migration status in the app to see what's transferred and what's pending. With millions in the queue, patience is key. Complete the steps, help your team, and let the system handle the rest. That's how you unlock your full rewards. Pi's value comes from what you can do with it, so building a strong app ecosystem is crucial. The Pi App Studio, launched on mainnet, makes it easy for developers to create apps that use Pi. This empowers pioneers to spend Pi on real goods, services, and in-app features. The App Studio sparks innovation, encouraging a diverse range of dApps, from games to marketplaces. More useful apps mean more reasons to use Pi, fueling a self-sustaining economy. The Pi Launchpad, introduced on testnet, highlights promising new apps and lets users try them before mainnet launch. Over 301,000 pioneers joined the Launchpad's first week, showing huge community interest. These tools, App Studio, Launchpad, and upcoming smart contracts, are building real utility for Pi. Pi's future depends on active developers and engaged users. The goal: make Pi a currency people use every day, not just hold. The ecosystem is growing fast as Pi prepares for open mainnet. Let's talk about Pi's price. But remember, the real Pi isn't trading yet. Current prices on exchanges are for IOUs or futures, not official mainnet Pi. These IOU prices are volatile and don't reflect Pi's true value. As of late March 2026, IOU prices are around 0.17, down 78% from their all-time high. The market is bearish, with sellers in control and weak momentum. Technical indicators like RSI and MACD confirm this trend. But these prices are just noise. The real value will emerge after open mainnet. Focus on Pi's ecosystem growth, not short-term IOU prices. The true value is being built through apps, community, and network progress. Stay focused on the long-term vision. Wondering what to do next? Here's your action plan. Complete your mainnet checklist in the Pi app. Wallet, lockup, and 2FA are essential. Node operators, upgrade to Protocol 21.2 before April 6, 2026 to stay connected. Help your referral team get KYC verified. Your bonus depends on it. Use the app's ping feature to remind and encourage your team. Collaboration strengthens the network and unlocks more rewards for everyone. Stay informed through official Pi channels. Avoid rumors and unofficial sources. Migration takes time, so be patient as millions are processed. By completing your checklist and helping your team, you're building Pi's future. Every step you take brings the open mainnet and real-world Pi utility closer.